In this specific video, I am going to discuss about the best typing learning software actually, and it's no other than the TypingMaster software. And the TypingMaster or TypingMaster Pro, both are almost the same. The TypingMaster is completely paid, and the TypingMaster Pro, if you know about the tricks, you can use it free lifetime. So however, I'll discuss about the tricks to get it free lifetime at the end of the video, but let me first introduce you with the TypingMaster software, because learning typing is very essential and very important for all the students and working professionals and all kind of peoples actually. So it's very important because learning typing is annoying also. You will see that lots of people type watching, and they get accustomed to it actually, but getting a good speed watching or for that habit, it's not possible. But learning typing with the help of this TypingMaster software, you can type even more than 100 word per minute, and my typing speed is around 50 word per minute now, and I'm targeting 60 now. Then I'll target 80, and then I'll target more than 100. However, let's be familiar with the software. Whenever you will install it, then you will get this kind of interface, and you can see that there are lots of kinds of courses like task typing course. This is the initial, and you should start from here. And there's speed building course, and also numbers, special marks, and 10 keypad courses. These 3 courses are there. In task typing course, you will have 12 lessons. I have completed all the lessons actually. And in speed building course also there are 6 lessons. I have also completed this one, but numbers and still I have not completed. There are 2 lessons here. And you can see the typing test is also there, and there are lots of kinds of tests. Any one, like there are durations 10 minutes, is also 10 minutes, and maybe it is 10 minutes. There are some courses, typing tests which are of 5 minutes, or you can change the duration here. You can give it 5 minutes and start the test from here. And here are some games. These are also here. I'll talk about the games later, but let me first make you clear that why have I chosen this typing software actually as the best one. If you start with the first lesson, which is actually task typing course, and if you go to the first lesson or lesson 1, you will come to learn about the basics, what you need to learn just at the beginning of your typing. You should read all these things. Then go next, your finger positions, how should be, just reading. You need not watch any tutorial or playlist videos to learn typing. This simple software is well enough. Then pressing keys, how should you press the keys, then learning keys, these are there. And also taking break, your posture, how should be your posture, all these things are described here actually. Then if you go to the home row, all these things are there. Just next, and here, if look here are if you see, then you will understand actually. A space, S space, DD space, FF space, and JJ space, KK space, LL space, colon space, semicolon. So these are actually why this software is best, because AS, DF, look, there are sequences, right? And JK, L semicolon space, JK, sorry, space, L semicolon space, and A is DF space, A is DF space, JKL semicolon space, JKL semicolon space, again AA. So repetitions, these are also there. And if you after every tutorial or lesson you do, you will get this typing result, and you will have the motivation to go beyond your results. And another important thing is accuracy is important. You must set the accuracy to 94% or 98% and try to maintain a good accuracy, because accuracy at the initial level, speed is not that much of important, your accuracy is important. Okay, so these are there. And also word drill, AS, A double L, A double L, A double L. So ASK, these are there. And also if you look for the paragraph deal, you will come to learn that ADD, ADS, DAD and inter. These all are there. Is a D inter. You will come to learn about giving a space, inter, semicolon. All these things will be covered by this software. And if you look for the games, look, I want to give you a hint of the games. You will enjoy it actually. Look, so FLAK, phrase, A space, FLA space. In this way, you can actually look. Here's top 10 scores. I tried some games, so you can try every day after completing a lesson or a full chapter. You can try some games. In this way, this typing tutorial or software actually is going to help you hugely. And I tried some other typing softwares like rapid typing, Bruce, and Kidon's typing tutor, which is actually from the Microsoft store. You can get it, but still that was not even close to the typing master software. So that's why you should use the TypingMaster software. And how to download it, how to install it, and how to get lifetime license for the TypingMaster Pro, I'll add that tutorial video, which is actually how you can get lifetime license for the TypingMaster Pro or TypingMaster. So this video I will include in the description box of this video, so you can download and install and start your typing journey from here. Just don't watch and search for the keys to type. Just you will be able to type even with your closed eyes. And thank you for watching the video. If it was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and write a comment, thanks or anything in the comment section of the video. Ta-ta.